every 15 seconds. So, you know, I don't normally do this. I don't normally pour and non-stop do that. I just come pour a glass and drink it is what I do. But, you know, some people will. So this is, you know, I guess something to know. Alright. We're gonna pour again. Alright. On the right is the Tyent, and that's like 10.89 or 10.9 pH, and a negative 342 RH. You can see that it's not losing its potency over time. That's one of our experimental things we're trying out here. Is it going to lose its potency? This is the Melody and negative 311 ORP and an 11 pH or some thereabouts. So neither one are losing its ability to ionize and its potency over time. It's been close to 10 minutes now. I'm going to let this video go longer than 10 minutes. And then what I'll end up doing is I'll have to cut it into 2 videos for YouTube, but I'll overlap in the middle so that we can, you know, see the whole, you can see the whole non-stop 10 minutes there. Okay. And this is testing the 2 water ionizers, the Melody and the Tyent, at their level 3 setting. Now, the Melody has one setting higher than this, which is level 4. And the Tyent has one setting higher than this, which is their turbo. And I would not pour ionized water out of either of these machines for 10 minutes using those high levels. But maybe after this video, maybe I'll test the level 4 also or something, so that you can see the difference between the 2 and that highest setting. I hear a bling. I don't know what that means, but I do know I'm expecting that the time's going to probably turn off at some point here, because it did yesterday. Okay, so here's our Melody's pH, 10.99 or 11, and a negative 303 RH. These are hospital grade ORPs, by the way, and 10.93 on the pH and a negative 342 on the ORP. And when I do that RH calculation, you'll see that the lower pH for the Tyent and the higher ORP is actually a better RH, and that's the bottom line number that you can use to compare water ionizers. So your pH and ORP are numbers that help you get there and get that bottom line number of the RH to compare. You want your RH to be as close to 0 as possible. And in this blog, I'll include a chart to show these. Well, we're far past there. We're getting close to 15 minutes here, and the time didn't turn off at all. Why don't I test them one more time? Alright. With melody this time. Alright. Anything lower ORP than -300 is considered medical quality of ORP, just, for your information. That's the Japanese or Korean, or maybe both, criteria. So -307 ORP and 11 pH. And that's been consistent throughout, so like the purpose of this experiment has definitely been achieved. And 10.93 pH and a -336 ORP. So that's excellent. Both really, really excellent, healthy water that's being produced by both of these water ionizers. Now, what I'm going to do right now, while I'm thinking about it, oops, I guess there's the Tyent going into it stopped itself. Alright, so let me just go ahead and stop the melody. Let me try to restart the Tyent. Oh, the Tyent is now in its acid wash, and that is basically, it's flowing again, and it's doing an acid wash, and that's probably one of the reasons, at least. Now it's ready to flow again, so I'm sure it didn't stop because of overheating, it just stopped because of the acid wash. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop these now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set them up at level 4. So I'll turn the melody back on, but I'll put it at level 4. And I'm going to slow the flow down a little bit. And I'm just going to pour some water here for level 4 of the melody.